Yeah, that was, yeah. Did you just kill Lacey? Is she dead now? No, you're short enough. I could just duck over your head. Go.
You tell me what. Ready? Go.
No.
What just happened?
Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. I'm Christian, and this is
Promise.
And we're gonna do beef stroganoff today. What I learned about beef stroganoff while I was doing the research for this is that it was not German like I thought it was. It is Russian. And so because of that fact, we're going to do white Russians and black Russians because I am lactose intolerant.
And it's a race thing.
It is a race thing. White Russians, black Russians, they exist. I'm pretty sure there's black Russian people. I mean, you don't hear about them very often. None? I think maybe one.
No, don't beat me. I want the bigger one.
You can have them, whatever you want.
It smells good.
It's tarragon pasta. Yeah.
Is this something you had to let set overnight to rise?
Nope.
Or is it something you just
There's
whip
no
up?
yeast. It just has to set to get the gluten going. Because you see how it's like so elastic?
Yeah.
You know? It's set for 30. Well, it's supposed to set for 30, but we got it for like a whole 2 hours. So.
That was my fault.
Not your fault at all. Not your fault at all. Shit happens. Work happens.
I'm actually pretty shocked that this wasn't a German dish. I guess I never actually took the time to look into it. Like,
Man,
I never,
you know the things we assume.
Right?
Stroganoff. It sounds German, right?
I bet white Russians aren't even a real Russian drink.
Oh, I'm betting they're not. Yeah, I'd put money on that one.
Someone tell us in the comments below.
Yeah. Educate us. So the funny thing about rolling pins is the handles don't help you that much. As far as pressure goes, it's helping you with control, but this, if you can put a lot more force into it, if your hands are actually on the middle part.
Okay.
One more left, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Now roll, baby, roll. Roll, baby, roll.
Oh, Christian, this is why we're friends.
Right? I'm getting close.
That's what she said.
Oh my god, you're right.
So close! Help.
Help! Okay, I got you. All you had to do was ask. Okay.
I'm a little intimidated
Why?
by the size of that meat.
Don't worry, girl. You can handle it. Oh. Well. Just try to get some of that extra fat out of here.
What'd you call me?
Alright,
see what?
this is silver skin. This whole part.
Yeah.
So
it's called silver strip? Is it just
Silver
part of like
skin?
a skin on the muscle?
yeah, it's
What,
actually the
connecting
casing.
tissue?
It's a case. Yeah, it's a casing around your muscle. Like it's the same in cows as it is in us. So this is what actually goes around our muscles. Not that I'm trying to encourage cannibalism or anything.
Gross. Also cool.
Yeah, right. But you'll just get underneath it and follow it down. Yeah, sorry, wash your
No,
hands.
you're good. I trust you.
I have never cut someone else with a knife.
Yet.
Okay, so what we're doing is we are slicing the beef in thin strips. Don't worry, you're next.
I don't want to get sliced.
Well, be careful then. So you just want to do, this is probably like a 1/4 inch. Don't cut yourself, please. But it wouldn't be the first
We're all
time.
rooting for
We
you.
actually had somebody cut themselves in the first episode, but it was Freddie
I
and
saw it. Was it the sushi one?
yeah, with Freddie.
I saw it.
Oh
She's
my
like,
God.
This is a really sharp knife, and he was like,
Yeah, yeah, that's
and
exactly
then
what happened.
they should have cleaning it up.
Yeah.
I was like, oops.
You want to start on the flat side because that'll give you just something easier
To kind of gauge it
and
off of.
put pressure on it so that the
Spreads out.
no, so that the
I'm
no, you're fine. I know,
trying to
promise.
learn.
I know you're very smart. You're wonderful. So you want to press on it so that the proteins are stiffer, the protein strands, because they all go in this direction, right? So now they're not going to move as much when you're cutting them.
So that would be like the meat equivalent of going with the grain, right?
No, this is against.
grain?
Yeah, this is
Okay.
against. Yeah, because with we would go this way because these are the
'Cause they're going-
strands. Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense.
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah. So.
Cool. Oh, already terrible.
Not terrible.
What are these for reference? Oh, this is like, I gotta like saw it. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
How's that?
It's great.
Okay.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is do a little sanitize-y do.
Sanitize? Oh, the countertop.
Yep.
Muy importante Stefo. Oh wait, it's Russian.
Can't say that in Russian. Thanks to everyone. Hey, by the way, guys, what I think you should do is subscribe to the show. You think so too, huh?
For sure.
Like
it, share it,
and that's it.
post subscribing it.
Everything. Do all the things.
All the things.
Do all the things. All the good things.
All the things. Because you might even be a guest, which would be the coolest part about
That's
it.
true. That is true. You know what? Promise just made a good point. If you are a subscriber to my show, you have a chance to actually be on my show. And trust me, that is real. So,
And
you
I
know what
actually
you
got
need to do.
pick this recipe.
That's
Yeah.
true. You get to pick what we cook. So, how can you lose? Just saying. No, you're short enough. I could just duck over the red. Go. Definitely not Shaq. Only if it touches the ground.
Oh, cold blood.
That's right. Cold-blooded. All right, it's your turn. That was good. This is why I need to be in the room. So it's okay.
Take the skin off. Okay.
Take the skin off. It's cool. It's
Pretend I didn't do that.
Yep, it's salvageable.
But with cooking. Okay.
But with cooking.
Okay, wait, stop.
That's
I can
better.
Do it. I can just not slice my fingers. I won't go all the way through.
I
fucked it up.
That's okay. Yes, but you're here. Here's what we'll do. Okay.
No, promise.
What?
These back here are low. Oh god, I can't.
Nobody panic!
Okay.
Shorten it a little bit. Because
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have
Just
to
because you
end
don't have that little bit of end,
Alright.
so it's not that you can't do it. It's just not as safe without having those roots to grip.
it. Thanks a lot for telling on me, Lacey.
I mean, kind of what I saw told on you. So, like, Lacey's like, I did not.
She's actually fucking killing. Dude, I'm learning. We haven't even started making this. This is taking for fucking ever, isn't it?
No, it's not. The cooking part's the fast part.
We haven't even started cooking, but I'm learning so fucking much.
That's
This is actually thank you.
that's the point of
Thank
sharing
you.
this with my friends, so they can always know how to cook and they'll think of
Dumb
me.
friends.
That's what I have from my grandma. She taught me how to cook, and every time I
How do you
cook,
say
I think of
grandma in
her.
French? Is that
Grandma.
Grandma?
Grandma.
Grandma, it's my favorite drink.
Which, well, different thing, but yes. Yeah.
I was a master of
Oh my
potatoes.
god, I
I love potatoes.
I am a master of potatoes. Alamaster is my stage name.
Alamaster?
Now coming to the fantasy stage. Alamaster. We need a shot.
Alright, quick, give me a Russian phrase.
Oh, what? Das Vidanya?
That's lasagna.
Das Vidanya.
That's the stroganoff in my fucking belly. Again,
So,
heads up.
we're gonna take, yeah. Hey, Prom's ready to party. Okay. Hey. Promise, no. Okay, put some salt and pepper in there, you flower head.
Salt and pepper here?
Yeah, salt and pepper's here. Salt,
I was gonna be casual
and
about it.
pepper's. Yeah, I know.
So, salt and pepper
Here.
here.
That's alright. Get it. Butter in the pan.
What do I do with my hands?
Prom. So, how many tablespoons are in a stick of butter? 8. She said 4 before. So,
How much butter do we need? Okay, no, really, sir.
it's not Dorothy Explorer. We're good. Point to the number of butters we need. So we're going to coat, and I'm probably going to do more than one, so you can just dump a couple in here, toss them around,
Okay.
get a good coating on them, but make sure you shake off the excess.
Right. So you don't want to be cooking flour.
Right.
Can I follow up behind you and
Yeah, let's do it. Let's rotate.
All right, you go.
Yep, I'm done. Now,
My go.
and we'll start around the outside first. Make sure to lay them flat.
How about this one? Will you lay it out for me?
No, you do it. That's you, girl. All right, we're gonna take these out.
Okay.
Meat plus butter smells so freaking good. It makes that sound. Okay.
What am I signed up for?
Great stuff, great stuff. The best thing you've ever done.
With fucking wine.
Fucking wine. And crank it.
Crank it. Now we've added the mushrooms.
White people love sour cream.
We do. It's true.
Ja! Dash of nutmeg. Dash, dash.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
There's a whole nother.
That's why I got two, because I knew you guys were going to be the red horse.
Yeah. Oh my
Alright.
god, it looks so good.
Alright, so
Let's not.
let's turn it down. We're going to turn down the temperature.
Turn down for what?
Sour cream.
Alright, babe. It's starting to bubble. Help me. Cam it.
Let's put some more wine in it. Doesn't that help stuff? I heard it does.
You tell me what. Ready? Go.
2, 3. No. There's a
Why do I feel like
thought.
rhinoceros? Or like.
Or like those rams that ram each other.
Yeah, P.S. I win. Red titties win. My buddy win. But I.
We're gonna turn.
What just happened?
Das Vidania.
That's Danya.
Bitches.
Suck my dick. Hey, you're scaring the children.
Little darling, stir it up.
You know the rest of the words? Yeah, I do.
This is the start to finish of what a show is like on Cooking with My Dead Friends. You know what I mean? Here's how it starts.
Christian.
Delicious and full. Bad. Bad,
Maybe.
bad, bad.
Maybe we're drunk.
Super, super bad.
But besides that fact,
They can't do stuff.
she can do stuff. And this shit tastes amazing. And the skills that I learned
quite
are
good.
amazing. Shut your mouth. And everything that happens is amazing.
You're right. You're right.
So that's the end of this fucking episode. Throw it up, girl. Fuck you very much.
So what I was trying to say during that, subscribe, share it, like it, be all up in my shit, cause
You might get an episode.
you will probably get an episode. Let's try it. No, dude. This has been really fun.